fix the Hummer H2 again. I just want to do another video. I had to replace my upper ball joints today. They're both slopped out, but and I put a new power steering pump in, which I don't recommend for beginners or anybody doing a Chevy for that matter. It's really a pain in the ass. But the big deal is, it took me forever, but I got my stage 4 electric cooling fan kit in. Oh yeah. More horsepower. It's a wiring nightmare. I don't recommend doing it for a beginner. It was a nightmare. But I'm happy with it. It's running cooler.